Binangonan 2025.
Grabe, I think ito na yung hinihintay ng lahat. And if I'm not mistaken, they started their journey last December pa. So grabe, what a long journey.
Yes.
And partner, grabe. Congratulations sa ating mga top 5 female and male candidates because all your hard work will be paid for.
Yes, all of the blood, the sweat, and the tears will now be paid off. Again, good luck and congratulations to our top 5, male and female category, and we are thrilled as you are for the winners.
So ayan, sige, maghintay lang tayo ng ilang minuto pa.
But it's okay to relax na. Magre-relax na sila kasi may winners na tayo.
Oh,
But don't
mag-relax na
worry,
tayo.
the stars will attack. Diba?
And partner, yung mga nakapasok sa top 5 is I think winners already.
Yes. Lahat na sila ay panalo.
Oo.
Okay, so excited na tayo. Hintay lang natin yung announcement. Don't worry, a few moments from now, one of you will be crowned. But all of you are winners na in our eyes.
That's right, partner. So, ayan, sige. Habang hinihintay pa rin natin ang result, I think mag-interview na tayo ng ating mga candidates. Iisa-isahin na natin sila. So,
Yes.
of course, unahin ko na, partner, si candidate number 11. So, candidate number 11, ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Masaya na po. Nawawala na yung kaba kasi alam ko, nagbubunga na yung pag-ihirap.
That's right.
Alright, now, of course, in number 11 ang in-interview mo, I have here beside me candidate number 11. Are you satisfied with your answer? What are your thoughts right now?
Siyempre, masaya ako kasi sinagot ka. Kasi na-pressure ako dun sa timer. Yun lang.
Thank you so much, candidate number 11.
So, of course, I have here our candidate number 5. So, candidate number 5, ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon? Fulfilled ka ba? Thrilled? Excited? Ano yung nararamdaman mo? Kasi for sure, halo-halo naman siya na yan. Diba?
I feel so grateful pa rin po to God and to my family and friends. And I feel so relieved.
Thank you so much, candidate number 5.
Okay, so now I have here beside me candidate number 9. Candidate number 9, what are you feeling with your journey sa Faces of Binangonan? Sa journey mo na nangyari sa Faces of Binangonan, ano yung mga natutunan? What are you?
Masaya kasi natutunan kong mag-control ng time management.
And it's a part of maturity. Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 9.
Now, let's have here our candidate number 9. Ako, mapapadugo yata yung ilong ko dito.
Mapapa-English ka.
Mapapa-English ako dito sa ating next candidate. So, candidate number 9, how do you feel right now? Are you feeling thrilled, excited? What do you feel?
I feel a bit nervous, but at the same time, I'm grateful that I'm standing here today on the stage.
That's right. Thank you so much, candidate number 9.
Okay, so for our candidate number 7, are you happy with your journey? Anong mga nangyayari? What's the plan?
Opo, masaya po ako. Dahil yung pumasok po ako sa Faces of Binangonan, nagkaroon po ako lalo ng mas maraming kaibigan. At yun lang po ang kailangan ko, kaibigan.
Of course, win-win situation. Win-win situation pa din, di ba? You gain friends and experiences, right?
Now, of course, we have here our candidate number 6. So, candidate number 6, ano yung nararamdaman mo ngayon? Since tapos na yung journey nyo, ilang minuto na lang i-announce natin yung winner. Ano yung nararamdaman mo?
I feel grateful po na nakapasok po ako sa top 5 and for yung simple naman, support of Medicare.
We should always be grateful. No matter what the result is, dapat thankful tayo. Kasi alam natin na ginawa natin yung best natin, di ba?
Okay, for our next candidate, a crowd favorite, si candidate number 4. What is your message to the crowd and supporters na meron ka dito? Since ang dami mong taga-support kanina.
Thank you po sa lahat ng dumalo at sumuporta po sa akin ngayong gabi and sa mga pumunta po dito na kahit hindi ko po kilala natutuwa din po kasi ako na ganun nga po na kahit di po ako kilala kahit hindi po ako ganun kayala, na susuportahan niyo po ako kahit. Thank you po.
Thank you so much, candidate number 4.
And of course, we also have here our candidate number 10. So candidate number 10, ano yung nafe-feel mo kayo?
Actually, I'm out of words because I just feel so blessed. It's literally impossible things can be possible through Him. That's all.
Tapos na tayo sa Q&A guys, hindi na-scored yun.
Okay, iba
Hindi
yung
na
mga
tayo
sagutan
scored. Oo,
nila
grabe
eh.
no?
Oo.
Laban na laban.
Relax. Okay, now we have here the best in talent, candidate number, let me see, candidate number 10. Okay, candidate number 10, ano yung nagpo-push sa'yo to finish this wonderful journey sa Faces of Binangonan?
Nag-push ako para sa journey na to is syempre yung dream ko na someday maging isang actor or showbiz model, and also ma-discover because of my talent, and it's all.
Of course, because of his talent. Grabe naman talaga. I would like to sing like that too. Anyway, everybody, congrats and good luck to our top 5 finalists on both male and female categories. I think we have the results right now. Do we?
Yes, meron na tayong result dito sa ating kamay. And of course, let us first announce the 4th runner-up.
The 4th runner-up will be presented. The 4th runner-up on both female and male category will be presented by Mr. J. Angeles and Sir Eric Sikata, the man.
The first number that we will be called is the female. Is the male candidate 4th runner-up. Okay.
So for our 4th runner-up in the male category, which has an average score of 90.721%, you are the 4th runner-up, candidate number 11.
And for our 4th runner-up for female category is, congratulations, with an average score of 93.40. You are the 4th runner-up, candidate number 11.
winners, which are the third runner-ups.
For the third runner-up, our presenter is Ma'am Beth Vida and Ma'am Gladys, the owner of GGG.
For our third runner-up in the male category is, with an average score of 94%. Congratulations, candidate number 9.
garnering an average score of 93.43. You are the third runner